What it do, what it do, what it do, you do. Hey, one time for the one time, it's your girl Minnie and I am back at it with another flipping video. And today, I'm gonna be trying out the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette featuring Jackie Aina. Oh, I love the holographic shimmery detailing she has on here with like the snake print material. These colors are so fall driven, and she said she geared it to women of color. Yes, this palette is looking real dusty because I filmed this video 3 times because my eyes was tearing and it kept running up, messing up the makeup, and I couldn't present my makeup looking like that. And then my Fenty set powder fell on top of the palette. Like, it just didn't want me to be great. Why? I just don't understand. But congratulations to Jackie Aina on her palette. I know I'm a little bit late, but better late than ever. If you want to see how I did this look, then keep on watching. First thing I'm gonna do is prime my eye with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and I'm gonna put that all over the lid. First shade I'm gonna get into is this beautiful purple shade, which is called Big Wig. Yeah, and put that all in the crease. I don't know why it's not taking like the other eye. It is retarded. Blend till you think you can't blend anymore, and then still blend. Next, I'm going to go into this pretty blush pink shade named Supreme and buff out the edges.
Let me take you for a ride. If you don't know which way to go, all you gotta do is follow. Grab my hand, don't take it slow. Ain't nobody has to know. It don't matter what we do, it's between me and you. We're the only ones here. We're the only ones here. So release all your fears.
Then I'm going to go back into Big Wig and go back into the inner crease to darken it a little bit.
Paint with the lights low. Baby, I know what you're looking for, but you're never gonna say that.
Going back in with my ColourPop.
You're afraid that I'm just another play with the right words. Same shit that you just heard. But girl, let me erase that. Cause all I need is just 1 minute to show ya the difference between a boy and a man. I need you to understand what it feels like. I don't mean to control ya, but I think I got you where I want. Why don't you stop holding everything back? I'm the one that you won't regret. We're the only ones here. So release all your fears. And I know you might be scared, but let's get into this love affair. Let's get into this love affair. Let's get into it. You want a little show? We can keep it low.
Now that I feel like they're relatively the same, I'm gonna buff out the concealer.
Show improving. You want me to flex for you, girl? See what I got up next for you, girl. Drink up, we can link up and leave the rest for you, girl. Let me show ya the difference.
I'm gonna go back into the blush pink shade Supreme and pack that on the lid.
Feels like I don't mean to control ya, but I think I got you where I want. Why don't you stop holding everything back? I'm the one that you won't regret. We're the only
I forgot I was using the little fluffier brush because that other brush was not cutting it.
and I know you might into this love affair. Let's get into this love affair. Let's get into this love affair. Let's get into this love. Girl, don't be shy. Let me take you for a ride. If you don't know which way to go, all you gotta do is follow.
Now I'm going back in with big wig and putting the purple inside the inner crease because I don't feel like both sides were the same.
Baby, I know what you're looking for, but you're never gonna say that, cause I know you're afraid that I'm just another play with the right words. Same shit that you just heard, but girl, let me erase that.
Now I'm gonna make the wing line. I'm gonna use the Color Pop again.
The difference between a boy and a man, I need you to understand what it feels like. I don't mean to control ya, but I think I got you where I want. Why don't you stop holding everything back? I'm the one that you won't regret. We're the only ones here, so release all your fears. And I know you might be scared, but let's get into this love affair. Let's get into this love affair. Let's get into this. Let's get into it. You want a little show? We can keep it low. Let me know you're ready to go. Keep it moving. I can tell you a bad girl. Let's get into a little trouble. Show improving. You want me to flex for you, girl? See what I got.
Then I'm gonna add this nice purple shimmery shade called Shooketh 10.
Let me show ya the difference between a boy and a man. I need you to understand what it feels like. I don't mean to control ya, but I think I got you where I want. Why don't you stop holding everything back? I'm the one that you won't regret. We're the only ones here, so release all your fears.
So then I'm gonna clean up the wing line. Hopefully I get it the same as this, but you know how that go.
Let's get into this love affair. Let's get into this love affair.
Not the same, but
Let's get into this love affair. Let's get into this love.
that's because of this up here.
Let me take you for a ride. If you don't know which way to go, all you gotta do is follow. Grab my hand, don't take it slow. Ain't nobody has to know. It don't matter what we do. It's between me and you. We're the only ones here. We're the only ones.
You see how I finesse that? So now I'm gonna clean up the purple and the pink on the outside. I'm gonna do my whole face. And then I'm gonna come back to the eyes. I'm not gonna record doing my whole face because I already have a get ready with me. You can go and watch that, and it's the same routine. And see how I finesse the eye to look relatively the same now. Concealer and a little, and you drawing. That's it. All right, I'll be back. So basically I finished my face. Now going back to the eye, I'm gonna go in with this Wet n Wild color icon in the color purple violet and put that on the waterline. It's about to tear now. So let's see if it lasts. Let's see if it lasts. My lips, I use the chestnut lip liner as usual, but this time instead of the Aaliyah Try Again, I'm using the Arrowhead Matte lipstick in AC5. This is an old lipstick, so I don't even know if it's good. So I'm still using it. So powder just fell all over it. I can't do. So going back into it, I'm gonna take Dollface, this nice gold shimmery shade, and put that in the inner corner. I'm gonna let my eyes relax a little bit. I'm gonna put mascara and my eyelash on because I already feel like it's gonna tear, and then I'm gonna come right back with the lashes, hopefully, and the mascara. I'm gonna set my face using the MAC 6 Plus, and let's see how this goes. Hopefully I can get it together. Be right back. So this is the finished look. I'm very happy with this finished look. Yeah, my eyes was tearing. I had a lot of fixing to do. So if it doesn't look the best, that's the reason why.
Don't be shy, let me take you for a ride. If you don't know which way to go, all you gotta do is follow. Grab my hand, don't take it slow. Ain't nobody has to know. It don't matter what we do, it's between me and you. We're the only ones here. We're the only ones here. So release all your fear, baby, release it. And I know you might be scared, but let's get into this love affair.
If I can do it, you can do it. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, especially if you like this look. Hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment down below. Hit the notification bell so you can get notified anytime I upload a new video. If you want me to do different looks with the Jackie Aina palette, which I already may do, then leave a comment down below. And until next time, peace.